What are the 2 easy ways to speed up the process for your serious injury, motorcycle accident, personal injury claim? Number 1, get an experienced personal injury lawyer to represent you. And number 2, file a lawsuit immediately against the at-fault driver. When a person suffers serious injuries arising out of a motorcycle accident, quite frankly, any motor vehicle accident for that matter, the at-fault driver's insurance company will be very difficult. They will not want to present you with a fair and reasonable settlement offer early, and specifically before a lawsuit is filed, because, and I hate to say this, they want to make the injured victim work. The at-fault driver's insurance company will make the injured victim go through the litigation process. And what I mean is having a lawsuit filed, conducting depositions of the at-fault driver and as well the injured victim and any other eyewitnesses involved, and conducting written discovery where the at-fault driver's insurance company will send the injured victim written questions that they must answer under oath, and ask the injured victim to provide all sorts of documents related to their motorcycle accident claim, including photographs, witness statements, and the injured victim's medical records and bills. This process goes a lot quicker with a experienced personal injury lawyer involved and when a lawsuit is already filed against the at-fault driver. If you have any questions regarding how an injured victim can bring a motorcycle accident claim in the state of Maryland, feel free to call me. I do this every single day, and I'd love to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you.